Did you know that Google serves over 30 billion ads each and every day? Whoa! That is literally more ads than the Duggars have kids. You could get some major carpal tunnel trying to click that many ads. But seriously, how do you get the very best performance out of your AdWords campaigns? Simple. By optimizing each and every area within your campaign to its most powerful performance. And your location targeting is no different. Thank you for joining us for this AdWords tutorial. Before we get started, please take a few seconds to hit the subscribe and notification buttons. We will make certain you have an in-depth understanding of each and every AdWords tutorial we do, making certain you walk away with the best, most advanced knowledge. Okay, let's talk location settings / geo-targeting. Let's say your target audience is the United States. Most people would be satisfied just targeting the United States with the default option. But let me show you a benefit by targeting each state separately. To do this, you would first go under your campaign settings and click locations, and then click enter another location. Next, click on advanced search. Before we click advanced search though, let's quickly open your location options and choose the second option down for your target and exclusion options. This will help make certain that only people physically in your target location can see and click your ads. Okay, after clicking on advanced search, you will see this screen. Here you can add each location separately. You can copy and paste each target location from a list, and you can find such lists by doing a quick Google search. I will usually paste my location list into an Excel sheet where I can easily separate out the locations. In this case, we want to hit the target all. Now, to show you the reason we want to add each location separately is because we now have full control over how much we want to adjust our bids for each location. We can adjust downward if it's a state that converts high in comparison to other states, or to our median cost per conversion. And we can give a state a positive bid adjustment if it converts really low in comparison to other states, or to your median cost per conversion. So now you can see the value of targeting your locations in smaller areas. And even though we have gone to such great lengths to have full control over our location settings, you can still get the occasional click from outside of your target locations. The good news is there is a remedy that we can implement to restrict our excluded locations almost completely. To do this, we go back to our campaign settings, click locations, click advanced search, and again click add locations in bulk. This time we are going to paste in a list of all areas outside of our target area. Click search, and then click exclude all. By excluding your non-target locations in this manner and having the people in or who show interest in your excluded locations option checked, you will get little to no traffic outside of your target locations. That's it! You now have your target locations highly optimized, and it should help lower your cost per conversion somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 10%. Thank you for watching our Location Optimization AdWords tutorial. We hope you found value in watching this video, and please make certain and comment if you have any specific questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification. We will be coming out with different videos each and every week on the different aspects of AdWords setup and the optimization process. Thank you. Bye-bye.